With the initial excitement of being offered the chance to have a painting, we got together as a team and decided that we would have a special art week leading up to the arrival of the painting, which of course had to be completely confidential all the way through. So plans were drawn up, we talked about castles, we talked about literacy, we talked about which artists we would use, and then last week we spent the whole week immersed in basically an art week, the result of which you've seen upstairs in the corridor. I've been here for a lot of years. It's a sort of school that gets into your blood. The children and their parents are fantastic. They deserve the chances that every other child gets. Our children do come from some quite difficult backgrounds. Half of our children are entitled to free school meals, but that doesn't mean in any way that we want to give them less life opportunities. I can't really express how excited we've been. Very nervous, I must admit, but when you told us we were going to get the painting, we could not quite believe our fortunate luck. To see it coming out of the lorry this morning and on the stage, and to see our children so captivated really by something that you wouldn't expect children of this age to really be fascinated by. And I'm hoping that from this now we will be able to take children to the National Museum in Cardiff more. We always go to see the dinosaurs, we don't go to see the paintings, but now we've built up something in us that will give us the urge to want to go and see other famous works of art.
It's been an absolutely amazing day today. The children are buzzing about what's happened. They've been so excited to show off their work from our art gallery that we have in the upstairs corridor. They had no idea about this amazing painting that's turned up this morning. To actually get close to a painting and understand the background of it, the history, the story writing behind it, it's just amazing. The crew have been wonderful from the Library of Wales. Absolutely amazing just to have this here. And you can tell that everyone is loving art, and it's really nice feeling to have all this going on at the moment.
We'll be taking up 2 classes for the whole day to Aberystwyth and for many of our children who literally do not leave this estate. It will be the most amazing experience. The journey itself will be amazing for them, and then to be by the sea and then to be in that fantastic building and see those genuine pieces of art and hopefully texts will be fantastic. And I would really hope to think that we could build long-term relationships with you, the school and with your library.